Hi guys, what's up? This is Forum and welcome back to my channel. Well, for those of you who don't know me, I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, travel, and I make a lot of shopping hauls which are really popular on my channel, and I know a lot of you seem to like them a lot. But I have news to make. I am taking a pledge today to not shop anything till the end of this year. Today is September 1st, so I'm taking like a pledge for September, October, November, December. I'm taking a pledge to not shop for 4 months. This is basically my way to, help our planet and, do something good out of it. So I'm gonna make sure I do not shop anything. So probably this would be my last haul of 2020. Even though it's going to be like the last one, I think I'm going to make the most of it, and I'm going to show you a lot of things that I recently bought from H&M. This is like a huge H&M shopping haul, so sit back, relax, make yourself a cup of coffee or tea, whatever you like, because this is going to be a little longer video than usual. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. I recently went to their store to buy few things, and I picked them up. Apart from that, I also ordered some stuff online, so even that's here now. So about H&M, I mostly picked their basic stuffs because they have amazing range of basics, and I really like that. I really feel I can elevate those clothes in a lot different ways, which is why I love buying from them. I have a lot of colorful stuff this time, so let's start with that. The first thing I have is this tube top. So they have a lot of tube tops, and they have it in different colors, and I got 3 of the colors. I got a red one, which is right here. I got orangey yellow right here, which is like a summer color. I got this, and I have one more with me, which is a white one, and I cannot seem to find that. I might have just recently worn that. So I keep on buying these quite a few times because they work really well and they go with so many different things. I think this would be like my second purchase of these tube tops. I kind of ordered them online, and I wasn't really sure about my bust size right now, so I got them in 2 different sizes. This is the one that I got in large. No, sorry, this is not large, this is medium, and this is the one that I got in small. This fits perfectly fine, but I just got it like tailored so that it could fit my chest. These are priced around 250 rupees each, and they are a steal. We have another tube top. This is like a longer version with a texture on it. This is the pink top, which is like super bright, and this is quite long as well. But again, there's like an issue with size. I got this in size XL. Oh my god, yeah, I got this in size XL. I got this online, and I don't know how could I make that mistake, but I did that, and yeah, I have it right here. But anyway, I think I can get it tailored too, so I don't have any issue with that. I mean, I really like the color. I got it for like 300 rupees or something. Another thing that I have right here is this black singlet that I just got. I wear these quite a lot at home, singlets and tees and something like that, so I just picked this one up in black because the earlier one that I got was fading away. So yeah, I got this in size small, and I really like the v-neck feel of it, and it fits perfectly on my body, so I am again happy with this purchase. This is the next one, which is, there's like my hair on it. So this is another purchase, which is like a white singlet top. This is a little different from the black one because this one has like a texture on it, and the material is quite different as well. This material is a lot more softer and thicker, and it's got like a lace in the front. It's got adjustable straps right here as well. Again, it's v-neck, and it's in size small too. The next thing that we have here are these. When I just looked at this thing at the store, I just picked it up because I knew I wanted to get one. I was looking for something like this since a long time, and when I gave it a try, it fits perfectly. This is size small, and so it was priced at MRP 799, but I got it for 259 on sale, so I am really happy. And I also got another shorts which is in black. This is in like the dry fit material in black. I wanted to get both of these for my workouts, so I got them. This was also in size small. Yes. Next thing I have here are these cycling shorts. They are in the shade grey. I already have one black from Shein. I wear that for my workout, but I also wanted to get something else, so I got this. This is again in the size small, and I don't think there was any sale on this. I think I just got it randomly. So the next thing that we have here is, I have this red bodysuit right here. I really love this so much. I mean, with the color, the material and everything, this is amazing. I have worn it a couple of times already. I've removed the tag over here because I like wearing it ulta, which is like this. It looks really nice this way as well. It looks like a singlet bodysuit, so that's the reason I removed the tag. But then this was again in size small, and there's also like a knot right here which is not removable. Next one we have here is this khaki colored what is this dress? Yeah, bodycon dress. I got this in size extra small. Can you believe that? I actually really like the color of it, and there was like one last piece left which was excess. I might just give it a try, and I could fit in that. I literally just fit myself in this, and I really liked it. I mean, it just reminds me of my old teenage days when I used to wear a lot of bodycon dresses. I have practically stopped wearing them now. I feel like younger. No, I'm not young anymore. I'm going to celebrate my 25th. Yeah, whatever. So the next purchase that I have here is this, which is a bodycon dress. It's bright neon-y orange dress, which has this cut on the top, and I don't know why I ordered this one in extra small too. I mean, there were some last pieces left, and I really like them, so I just thought I can, you know, fit into that. Luckily I can, and luckily it does not look too tight on me. So yeah, I am happy with the purchase. It's like a nice turtleneck dress. It just makes you feel so nice on days when you're feeling low. Just put on a dress like this, something bright like this, and you're good to go. Anyway, yeah, this was my next purchase, which is like a fresh white turtleneck bodysuit. Love it so much. Super versatile, goes with so many things. I can already think of so many ways that I can wear this thing. Absolutely love this purchase. Really wanted something like this, and this is priced at like $7.99. So yeah, I again got this in size extra small. Yeah, I got that in extra small. I could fit in extra small. Next we have here is this satin silky pistachio colored skirt. This is like a midi skirt. Initially I thought that, you know, it might look really nice on me, but then I am quite short in height, so this does not look that well, which I really imagined. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a stitch right here. Like, I'm gonna get a slit right here on the corner, and so it's gonna look like really sexy, and it's gonna make me look a lot more taller. 1 second. I got this for like 500 rupees. It was on sale. It's originally priced at 1500, and I got this in size UK 8. UK 8 is what? UK 8 is, I think, maybe medium. I'm not sure, but yeah, it fits me right, so no issues with that. Next we have here is this long pants. What are they called? These pants are called paperback pants, if I'm not wrong. I don't know, but I got them. They are like super trendy. They're super big for me, but this was the last size, and I think I got it for like 1000 rupees. It was on sale again. I did not even get it tailored because I feel that all of the pants would not look the same after getting it stitched, so I did not do that. I just wear a belt, or you know, I do my jeans hack wala trick on this thing, and yeah, it works really fine with me. This is in UK 16. Can you imagine? That was UK 8. This is UK 16. Next we have is this sweater jumper. What do you call this? Sweatshirt. Here is this hoodie, which is in like a pink, white and black color, like majorly pink. I really like the pink shade of it, and I tried this at the store. I got this in a size bigger than I usually wear because I wanted to wear it like a dress, you know, the hoodie dress that we all see online. This is super comfortable. This is so soft. I could just practically live in this all day, all night. I cannot wait for actually winters to start so that I can really live in this. I got this in size, oh, I got this in size small. I thought I got a bigger size for like 2k, but then I got it for sale and I got it for 600 rupees only. Next we have here is my most favorite purchase, which I kept for the last. I got this lavender blazer, short blazer, and I love this so much because it's so beautiful, it's so stunning, it's one of my best purchase from H&M ever. I'm not even kidding. This is something I love so much. This was again not on sale. This is UK 6 and I got it for like 1000 rupees. Just so happy with this purchase. Next we have here is this white blazer. I wanted to get something like this for like the longest time, so I got this. It's like a long one, not short like the earlier one, and it looks quite formally and quite nice, so I just got this one as well. This is in size UK 10 and I got this for like around 1500 if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Have we covered everything? No. The last purchase from this entire lot are these shoes. Hold on. Got these shoes. They have like a heel to it, so they make me like look a little taller. Plus the color is super fine, like it's so neat and so clean, and I hope I can keep them like this. It's again in lavender color. I hope you can see that in the camera because they are the lightest shade of purple or lavender, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I really like them. I want to wear them outside, although I don't have anywhere to go, but I just want to wear them outside, click some nice pictures and then put them back in my closet and not look at them for another year because I just cannot take any risk of spoiling them. So yeah, that is it. I got this for 800 rupees. It was on sale. I think it's originally priced for like 2599, but there was a sale going on and I got this for like 899, so I had to pick them up. That was all about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be leaving all the links of these purchases right below if I find them all, because most of them were on sale, so I'm not really sure if they're still available, but I'll try to find them. If you guys really enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe until then. Bye.